Hi everybody. For today's tip and tricks video, you know how I'm always telling you guys you're not gonna ruin a carving. You just try, experiment, whatever. Let's just say this flower that we had carved a few videos ago. Okay, you're working on it. You're trying to get a little more depth. And let's just say you are carving and you get under there a little too far, you're trying a little too hard, and oh no, that happens. Oh man, have you ruined I've worked so hard on this. How are you gonna fix that? It's ruined. It's not ruined at all. You don't know exactly what this flower is gonna look like when you start. This big hunk tore off of here. Let's just see what we can do to fix that. Um, just follow along and I'll show you why you're not ruining anything. Okay, I've had a chance to work on this for just a little bit, and you can see we ruined nothing when that chipped off. We ruined nothing. In fact, we've improved the entire thing. You'll kind of see as you go, your vision will come to life a little bit, but sometimes those accidents are what help you find what you're trying to create. I mean, I usually have an idea of what I'm shooting for, but as you carve, as you go, things will kind of change. Your chisel you'll make a cut that maybe wasn't exactly what you was originally thinking, and it I don't know, it helps you develop this stuff. I mean, look how much better that looks. Before, you can see some of the stuff I've done. This pedal here, it was sticking way up like that. This one too, this one went way up like that. And I'm like, that's just not how they would look. And matter of fact, I think this one could probably come down a little bit more because see, this one's going around. It's kind of almost on the back side. It's sticking up quite a bit yet. But these and I don't know, maybe you see the pedals differently, but if you can get to the point where you are no longer afraid of how to carve it, I mean, you're using your tools and that, and on all you're working towards is getting your carving to look like your vision. It's not the fact that you don't know how to carve it, it's just carving your vision. Then my work, I feel like I've done some good because that's what it is. I'm not afraid of carving. I know how to carve. You guys know how to carve too. It's just getting these things to look how my mind sees it. And a little thing like having that break off might seem like a big thing when it happens, but it isn't. Like I said, I don't even remember if it was this one or this one that broke off. I think maybe this one. I don't know, but it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Look, it looks better now. It looks so much better now. There needs to be a little separation here. See, as you go and as you work, it'll develop. These lines can once these petals get just like I want, then these lines will go back in. Anyways, that chip was what we talked about today. I hope you can see what I'm talking about when I say you're not going to ruin a carving. Experiment, experiment, experiment. This carving isn't ruined at all. It's better for that. It's better. We'll see you guys on the next one. I'm going to keep messing with this carving just because we may come back and visit this again at some point. But for now, that's the reason I tell you guys, don't worry about it. If a little something chips off or whatever, you're the only one that's ever going to know. Happy carving, guys. We'll see you on the next video.